Hello there, my young folks. I know some of you can't drift off without a proper story to carry you through the stormy night. So let me tell you one. It happened a long time ago, before your phones, before your cities, back when the woods still whispered. It's not quite a ghost story, but it's true enough. So pull your blanket close, hush your breath, and whatever you do, don't leave the light on after midnight. It started 3 nights ago. I woke up to the sound of tapping, not on glass, but on wood. A slow, deliberate tapping coming from my bedroom door. I live alone. At first, I thought it was part of a dream. But then it happened again the next night. Same time, 2:17 a.m. 3 soft knocks. I didn't get out of bed. I couldn't. Something about it felt wrong. Like the space behind that door didn't belong to my house anymore. The next morning, I told myself it was just a dream again, maybe an animal brushing up against the wall, or the house settling, or something less disturbing than what it felt like. But the third night was different. That night, the knocks didn't stop at 3. They went on, slow, precise, as if whoever or whatever was out there knew I was awake. It knocked 13 times. I counted. I was too afraid not to. And then silence. I lay in bed, wide-eyed until the sun began to rise. Later that day, I noticed muddy smudges near the bottom of the bedroom door. Faint, but there. I don't wear shoes indoors, and I definitely hadn't been near the door with wet feet. That was the first time I felt a deep, quiet dread settle in my chest. That night, I decided I would open the door. I sat in bed, phone in hand, flashlight ready, staring at the knob. At exactly 2:17 a.m., the knocking returned 3 times, then silence. I forced myself to stand. My legs felt like they belonged to someone else. I reached for the knob with shaking fingers and pulled the door open. The hallway was empty, except the front door was wide open. Rain blew in from outside. The wood floor was soaked. There were muddy footprints leading from the front door to mine. They stopped right at the threshold. I checked every room in the house, locked the doors again, sat on the floor until morning. The police came. They looked around, shrugged, and told me it was probably just a prank, maybe a neighbor messing around, maybe a homeless person looking for shelter. I wanted to believe that. I really did. But when I reviewed the security footage, I stopped breathing. At 2:17 a.m., the front door opened.